Hi guys, we are making bagel keto corn dogs. And in this bowl already, I have 1.5 cups of Monterey Jack cheese melted, and I have 2 ounces of cream cheese melted. You melt these until they're well combined in the microwave and pretty much react like a ball of dough. That's what I'm looking for when I'm melting this in the microwave. Still pretty hot to touch, but that's what you're looking for. All right, so now we're going to add 1 1/4 cups almond flour. So we're gonna level this off. 1 cup almond flour and 1/4 cup almond flour. Just nice and level. Okay, I'm gonna move these out of my way. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. One, 2. We're gonna add an egg. And my family actually loves nutritional yeast, and we like the flavor that it brings a lot of the keto breads. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Just a bunch of flakes, gives you some really good B vitamins. Nutritional yeast is so good for you, and it has a little bit of like a cheesy, nutty flavor. Okay, we're going to give this a blend really quick. Get that combined with the cheese. Move my little spatula. Oh, look at that, just wrapping right up there with the cheese. Normally I blend this part by hand, but I was wanting to do it by the blender. We'll just try to get this combined and then I'll do it by hand. This might not have been the best method, but you know what? We're human, and I'm just gonna show you what I do and what I learn because we all need to learn. All right, that's a mess. And off. Before the whole kitchen is destroyed. All right, we're gonna do the rest of this by hand now that we've covered everything in dough. Perfect. Don't you guys love people who do cooking shows like this? Not. Sometimes I find cooking shows really relaxing. I'm assuming that my cooking shows are not. We'll get there. I'll learn. I'm human like the rest of you. I'm hoping that the way I cook is the same way a lot of you cook. Trial by error, trial by error. I just stepped in a big glob of dough. Okay, bringing back our spatula. I'm just pushing this all together. All right, now I'm gonna try to just knead this with my hands. I did wash my hands prior to starting this. All right, what the warm part is just the cheese, but what I want to do is combine all the almond flour and coconut flour with the cheese. It's actually combining nicely. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't even talk. We have our grandson this weekend, so that's fun. All right, this looks like a good ball of dough. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. We're gonna wrap our hot dogs and bake them 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown. The reason you guys are filming from this vantage point is because my phone is charging. I didn't think this through and charge my phone first. I'll just move some of this. Whoops. And we're gonna bring our hot dogs and our cookie sheet. We're using a silicone baking mat. Make sure you guys can see that, silicone baking mat. That's what we're gonna cook the hot dogs on. I have True Story pasture-raised uncured beef hot dogs. That's what we're gonna wrap with this dough. I pre-opened these. Going to go ahead, and I did wipe the counters down. We're just going to put these right here on the counter. Please ignore all the extra noise. All right, so I'm gonna grab a piece of dough. You should be able to get 1 pack of hot dogs out of this just fine. Press it down about the length of a hot dog. Place a hot dog on there, and we're gonna wrap that hot dog, just like that. Hopefully this will be enough. These are delicious, let me tell you. Morning, noon, or night. These are so freaking good. All right, so your hot dog will come out like this. And we'll just put it right here, but it's gonna go over here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to put some everything seasoning on it. Let's see where I have that. We will be seasoning it with everything but the bagel seasoning. I'll do them all at the same time. So I did a little less dough with this one to see if we could still make it work. So you want to make it about level. Okay. You want to bring them together, connect the dough, just like so. I might have to work it a little bit, make it kind of form fit it. I'm trying to use less dough with this one. All right. See that? And then I would close any little gaps, kind of pat them with my finger. We're gonna go like that. Can you guys see that? How they look on the tray right here? Okay. And I'm gonna add some everything bagel. You don't need to watch me wrap all of them. So we'll just put some on top and I'll press it in. So it'll look like this. Can you see that? All right. I will be back to you. Let's see how long we gotta cook for. On 400 for 12 to 15 minutes. So we will see you back in 12 to 15 minutes.
Grandpa, guess what? Grandpa, I winners. Check it out. Order it.
Corn dogs coming up. And there you guys go. We have keto corn dogs. These are fantastic. These are so easy to make too. Super easy, super yummy. I am more of a spicy ketchup girl. This is my favorite keto ketchup in the entire world. Alternasweets. And they have regular for people who don't like spicy. All right, there we go. There is our keto corn dogs. And here we go. I'm just gonna pour some ketchup on it and we are good to go to eat. I'll show you what this looks like. I'm a dipper. What are you, babe? Are you a dipper?
I'm gonna pour some mustard on there if we have
You want some ketchup? Oh, Aiden, say hi to everybody since they can hear you very well.
And guess what? Did you know outside the backyard they found this?
Wow, that's like a dinosaur fossil. All right, you want spicy or mustard or just mustard or what?
mustard, or I think just maybe a little of the ketchup.
Spicy or regular?
Spicy.
Okay.
Perfect.
And since you're prettier than me,
I don't think that's...
I think that's true, we want to get your first impression.
Do I have to pick it up or can I use
Yeah,
a fork?
you can do whatever you want. Sorry guys for the wobble. Let's see if this actually tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Really good?
Tastes like a bagel dog.
A bagel dog? All right. Let me scoot over here, Ian, and take a bite of mine too. I shouldn't be so embarrassed to be on my videos, but I'm learning.
Snorlax!
Okay, ready?
It's really good.
You guys, kids will eat this. Oh, my wiener's slipping. Back in there. Whoop! Get your mind out of the gutter.